In this video, we'll see how you can get this premium stock market course for absolutely free of cost. Before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Coursera. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses and guided projects and all those stuff from 275 plus leading universities and companies including Google, Meta, IBM, Amazon, Microsoft, Stanford University, Duke University, HEC Paris, John Hopkins. So a lot of major companies and universities around the world are offering e-learning materials via this Coursera platform. So if you want to purchase any course or certification program in Coursera, instead of buying that single course or any program, you can opt for Coursera Plus, because this subscription will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus courses, guided projects, job ready certification programs. So if you're interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus. Now let's move on and see how you can get this A to Z of stock market for beginners premium course for absolutely free of cost. So more than 82,000 students have taken this course. So if you want to learn more about stock market, then you can just make use of this course. If you're a beginner, this course is going to be very useful for you. It has a good rating as well, 4.4, and it is offered by Credit Academy via Elearnmarkets. You have 20 plus videos in this course, around 2 plus hours of learning content is available for you, and there are some supplementary study materials and there are some self-evaluation tests as well, so you can check your knowledge once you learn everything, and you will also get a certificate of completion. So first, let's see what are things which will be covered in this course. So you can get to learn the basics of stock market. You can get to learn about the investment and various avenues of investment. You can learn about portfolio diversification, types of brokers. You learn the method for stock selection. You'll get to know whether you should do investing or trading. You'll get to learn about company analysis, external events on stock markets, impact stock market index analysis. So there are a lot of technical things which are going to be covered in this course. You can see that here. Anyone who wants to learn about these things can enroll in this course. There is no restriction when it comes to joining the course. And once you complete it, you can get a certificate like this. And like I mentioned earlier, the course rating is also good. And if you want to get this course for free, just wait for a few more minutes. I'll show you how you can do that. Before that, if you want to watch the preview videos of this course, you can also do that. And here's the complete outline of the course. You can just go through these things if you want to know what you learn in this particular course exactly in each section. So they have given that here, and they have also given information about the exam which you need to complete to get your certification. So the test duration will be 40 minutes. There will be MCQ questions for you, and you have to attend it. There won't be any negative marking, but you have to score at least 60% to get your certificate. And here they have also mentioned how you can get your certification after completing the course and exam. So now let's see how you can enroll in this course for free of cost. So first we need account in this platform. So for that, just click on login at the right top, and here you can simply click on this sign up here, and then you can use your Google account to create account in this platform, or else you can also use your Apple ID, or you can simply click on this sign up with email and use your email address to create account in this platform. So first step is to create account and log into it. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So as you can see here, now I have logged into my account. So once you're logged into your account, click on this Enroll Now button, and then you will be directed to the checkout page, and here you can see that the actual course price is $999. So now what we are going to do here is we'll use a coupon code to get this course for free. So the coupon code for this particular course is SB100. So you can see here the coupon code is SB100. Make use of it. Click on this apply button, and once you click on apply button, you can see that the course has become available for free of cost. So the amount payable is 0. So now you do not have to pay anything. You can simply click on the start learning button and you can take the course for absolutely free of cost. I hope you'll find this course very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.